You can't control what you can't see. Why is that important? Because with new technology in adhesives, we've now made it possible for you to be able to see the adhesive very clearly under low light conditions. Hi, I'm Dylan. I'm the CEO of Alphabond, and we specialise in formulating hot melt technologies. Now, in a traditional factory, a lot of these are in low light conditions, which means when adhesive is applied, let's say to a carton or a box, or let's say to insulation, these types of applications, it's very difficult to see A, where the adhesive was applied, so is it in the right place, but B, where is it being applied that it shouldn't be applied, like overspray on the production line, causing issues with build-up of adhesive, which then needs the line to stop to clean it. Imagine if you could see exactly where the adhesive was being applied and make sure there was no overspray on the product, and you could see that it was the right coat weight of adhesive, so you're not overspending and putting too much glue down when you shouldn't be. With this technology, we've developed a new product where it looks like a standard product. This is a standard product, but it's actually got a new formulation which is visual under a UV light. So what we've got here is two different adhesives. One is fluoresces under a UV light. So I'm going to put the UV light above it, and I'm going to put the UV light above it here, and you can see that one of them is glowing, the one on my left is glowing much brighter than the other one. So where else can adhesives be used in visual factory to aid your production? Well, this product here is a product called Safemelt. Now this is a patented technology, and as you can see in the camera, it's blue when it's cold. But as this heats up, this turns red so that you can see the adhesive being applied onto the product. But it also means that if you're a factory with many hot melt tanks, you've got a huge health and safety improvement benefit because the adhesive is visible red in the tanks. So the operators know that it's not safe to touch and there's a burns risk. However, when the tank is off and it's cold, the adhesive is blue. Traditionally, there's been lots of instances in food factories where operators have accidentally caught their hand in the tank or didn't realise how much adhesive was in the tank because it's clear like water, and there's been burns. This product is able to prevent that issue, make it visual for the factory, improve health and safety, and reduce the amount of waste you get where adhesive is overspraying because it's now very visible on the product. So if you want to explore more around these concepts of visual factory and improving lean in your packaging process with hot melt adhesives, then reach out, because we've got a full white paper which you can download. It's got a lot more detail so you can read into the technologies behind the visual adhesives, and we'll see if we can help you.